청년군 도라지와 배가 만났어. 도라지 배즙대슈. 아들 딸 부모 우리 부부 목 건강 지켜주네. 기관지 건강 위에 태어났다지. 도라지 배즙대슈. 자연중심Nc가 만든 도라지 배즙.
검색창에 자연중심Nc.
Natural-centered NC. Established as Natural NC Co. Limited in late 2010, we were redirected as a venture food company. Received a patent of Oriental Medicine Scientification Production Method and registered our brand domestically and overseas. We became a small but strong food company. Our 3-year-old balloon flower and pear juice, which shows our concern for the health of customers, is made by the insistence of Natural NC, pursuing the Oriental Medicine Scientification of nature. We put it with our natural philosophy, from processing imported materials to packing each bag. Onions. Especially the reddish onion juice, which helps the cholesterol inside the body, is clean and clear, and it raised our brand status up high that the company makes food with fermentation science. The 3-year-old balloon flower and pear juice product, which is made by grinding balloon flowers over 3 years old, pears, and jujubes, is the main brand of Natural NC, and its popularity is rising not only in Korea, but also overseas. The reddish onion juice, which was popularly sold in 2013 with the name of Hyojincheong Country People, increased its effect by individual research and development. By the value of products thinking of the body more than taste, natural healthy food for the family, and being a leader of handmade healthy food replacing medicines. Natural NC, which cares for the health of our customers, will become a professional natural healthy food company, expanding overseas exports and heading towards the world. Natural-centered NC.